yung mga kailangan kung box, ano?
Of all the presentations,
What really...
please check the instruments.
What do you really
What do you
need?
really need? Do you need drums? Oh, yeah, like...
Medley song.
Angas tayo. Hindi ako
Sige. Yun lang. Ibig sabihin ni Big Brother.
Parang nag-ahamon kanina ng away.
Dapat yun, may base. Kasi pangit kung
simple pa nga,
diba?
Okay, so let's adjust.
Ayun ang ibig sabihin ni Big Brother.
Include
So,
it anyway.
I don't mind.
Yep.
Miguel, for your song, am I playing
sige.
drums? For your song, am I playing drums? Okay. Novelty? Or is it...
Beatboxing lang.
Gusto ko drum, para din ako...
Ay, drum gusto mo?
No, up to you.
Sa novelty, ang instrument dyan sa...
Sige, practice natin, oh.
Hindi na...
Okay, I'm playing drums.
Ay, hindi
Acoustic
ganito.
guitar tsaka bass.
May hawak ka ba dito?
That's right.
Yun lang. Ibig sabihin ni Big Brother.
Ito.
I don't know.
Ay, hindi po. Hinangin po yung gamit ko. Hinangin lang po.
Okay.
Pangit talaga pag
Windy
bass tsaka
effect po
acoustic
yan.
ang background. Kung acoustic lang. Tsaka yung gamit yung kung electric guitar, dapat ang partner niya bass, tsaka yung drummer dude na totoo ba?
Do you need piano or novelty? Wala.
Di mahagol.
You don't need
Ano na lang?
for novelty.
Ito, sa novelty namin, hindi, electric, bass, tsaka drum set.
Bass?
Totoong drum sa'yo? Sige, bass, electric, and drum set.
Bass guitar.
Bass, hindi. Bass guitar, electric guitar, and drum set.
Sinong magtutugtog ng bass?
Si Jericho, tryan namin, mag-practice.
Ito na.
Dali lang siguro yan.
Iaano ko lang ha.
Yeah, if you can play the
Check ko lang yung mga
guitar.
Panumpat mo na.
Kawawa na talaga Roy si Jericho.
I know how to play bass.
Babad si Jericho. Sayaw. Sweetie Love Teams, nandito pa siya, no?
Mag-mosquito killer ako ha sa sala.
1, 2,
3.
3, 4, 5.
Kuya, nilalamok po yung lugar
You
natin.
should cut an out of one.
It's either he not sing or he not dance here.
Tanggalin mo na lang si Jericho sa ano?
So dance, no?
Yeah, he doesn't have to be in this one.
So it's gonna be
Oh, he
Slater and
doesn't have
Carlo
to be in
lang.
this one. Because he's singing that
Kailangan
already.
unique practice dyan. Hindi ito basta-basta. Practice
This one
ito.
maybe should
Because,
just be
absolutely live, di ba?
sing
Di-
Miguel. Oh,
Hindi
not
isang
Jericho.
kanta lang.
Because he's just added because for fun. He's not really needed.
Practice, kailangan ito, tsaka puko.
Because we need him for the dance. Because it's 3, 3, 6. And the
Seven ang
back part
fourth
is
spot.
double. And Spiff, I think he would like
Ang balak mo doon sa novelty na, may kumot-kumot na lang.
And Kembot.
Anong ibig sabihin ng spell?
yun? Ito yung kembot?
Gitar.
Oo. Sige.
Tsaka, anong pangatlo kung, 30 minutes lang.
Makimot ka rin habang
30 minutes. Yun na lang ang last. Hindi na lang natin tatloy ng song.
Hindi, dalawa lang ang...
Pwede man tatlo, pero puro half-half.
Oo. Pagkatapos nung ikumot
Dito tayo, mahaba tayo sa makumot-kumot, mahaba ang
yeah.
kanta rin sa makumot-kumot.
konti lang ito.
Pwede magani, una ang iba, tapos insert yung kumot-kumot, diretso puro na lang.
Ang ganda kayo ng unang-unang ikumot-kumot ano. Kasi, naitig ng mga tao, kaganyan. Badum, tapo. Mga takbo.
Sige. Dalawa na lang. Kimbot na lang ang last.
time for a host.
Including the host time.
Included?
Maturuan pa kami ni Kuya Roy ng ano. Kuya Roy, ano ba na step na
May gitara mo.
Hindi mo kimbot ka rin. Ganun mo rin pick mo. Habang nagagitara, yung kulele.
Tribute? We have, tall. Hosting.
Habang kami pati,
Hindi ko kasi nakita sa TV yung sumayong kimbot-kimbot. Isip, gawa-gawa na lang.
Tingin ko niya pull of energy yan. Parang kayo
Question na lang
pagkakalabas
dito.
mo. Amin ko,
Question here,
sabay ko yung energy niya.
Basta
High
bigay,
voltage
labas natin yung pinaka taas natin yung level.
Level.
Saka smile ha.
Yeah. 6 white sneakers.
Ano galaw mo?
Tapos,
I think you should write hoodies.
Totoo yan.
anim
Totoo
sneakers.
yung ano ni
And then,
And that's it. We're wearing our own jeans.
jeans.
Yeah, we're gonna wear our own jeans.
Ano?
For Sweetie, I need, Divine, cute, shorts,
So kung part nila niya ng
dress.
Cute. Top? What?
Dress.
Dress talaga? Okay. Dress.
That goes well with high tops.
Okay, ko.
Ayun pala.
yung hawak kamay. Yung makokbak kasi marami doon sa yung
High tops?
Yeah, sneakers.
Ito daw galing, malimutan niyo yung Christmas song. Yung tayo ang Pasko. Wala pa na po doon.
Purple.
Pero,
Number 2.
Slater needs, I don't know what Slater's wearing.
tapos,
No, he can wear his
Own
own.
clothes. Sorry.
It's okay. Sneaker. Tin.
Magano ka lang ng ano, ng belt, para kung ano, hulat mo lang.
Kami long sleeve.
Cardigan na lang. I know, he's gonna wear it sa kanto boy. I know. No. Cardigan. Tapos, tin cute dress. Ano?
Yeah, just also, I guess.
Siya pa daw kung ngalan niya.
Bigels. Yun.
Kuya Tar,
Isa.
Bigels.
Cute dress din.
itong everyone.
Cute dress. Cute. Ano?
Kuya Tar, everyone.
Handsome. Wow. Ano yung handsome?
Handsome long sleeve shirt.
Shirt
Wow.
na lang.
May
Bahala na sila paano.
Napagwapuhin nila ako.
Kanto boys.
I think they're wearing, I think they're wearing
Are we
bow
going to
tie.
include Jericho here? No. And
I don't
then-
think so. I don't think so. Better, because he needs to break.
Yeah.
Voice over.
Kasi mahirap din tong Kanto Boys.
Oh, man.
Jericho.
Naman, gawin mo nito.
Ano yung sa Kanto Boys? Ano yung susuotin? Si Denise.
boys.
Oo.
Na, okay.
Di ba, introduce lang yun.
Kikoy.
Original Filipino music. Station mo sa radyo. Original Filipino music.
Denise.
The time now is 1:30 before 12 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
Ay.
Hindi, 1:30. 30 minutes before, ana.
Teddy bear.
30 minutes before 2 o'clock.
Yung naisip ko na Kuya Roy nung ano namin, yung
Costume
costume namin.
namin. Tapos bago mag,
Back to you, Tol.
Polo, colorful.
mga kaisunan.
Minsan lang kita
Admit pa ron
pinabigyan.
sa sulod sa palay ni Kuya. O ang atong mga house